What's the meaning of broad? Broad. Broad.
Broad. Broad. The word broad is an adjective which can be used to describe something that has a wide or spacious surface, or something that covers a large scope or range. It can also refer to a person who has a wide knowledge or experience in a particular field. The word broad connotes an idea of expansiveness or all-encompassing scope. It can be used to describe anything from a wide open landscape to a person's general knowledge or interests. Overall, the term broad suggests a sense of openness, coverage, and comprehensiveness.